So we are doing each remedy per day. So today we'll discuss about the Moschus, a beautiful remedy from the animal kingdom, from the mammals. It's prepared from the Siberian musk deer, and I have seen a beautiful spear of action in extremities and especially in the male genitalia. So we'll look around it. So the part used is the exocrine scent gland. It is used. Exocrine scent gland is used, and it produces semi-viscous type of a substance. And it used to, this substance, the semi-viscous type of substance used for the territory marking, and it decides the mood. It arouses the sexual ability of a organism. So this is something which can be used, the scent glands, for the exocrine secretion, which is semi-viscous. And if you look around, it's prepared the Siberian musk deer. This huge spear of action in nervous system, head, nose, and male genitals. The major mental peculiarity that he is abusive until the lips are blue, eyes stares, and she faints. So she is very abusive type of person, and until he is abusive till the lips are blue, eyes are stare, and she faints down. So that's the beautiful symptom, that the peculiarity of this remedy, and we must have. So unlike most of the mammals remedy, it is quite similar for being involved in a group, as most of the mammal wanted to be in a group, and the ailments from being deceived which triggers his complaint. So being deceived, which it is something which triggers the complaint. The delusion being opposed by everyone. So the basic, the major delusion that he is opposed by each and every one of us. That's the major. So some of the major totality we will see kya karo. Ambition ailment for aggravation from deceit. So lots of deception aggravates the symptom. Delusion opposed by everyone. Delusion objects black. So he used to imagine lots of negativity all around him. Lots of black object in metaphorical way you can understand. Delusion falling, he is height from. So he used to imagine he is falling from the height. Carried desire, aversion to, don't want to take any word health. So he carried desire from going into the healthier state. There has always been an aversion to. Complaining, useless. So you used to complain every time, useless. Gesture makes counting money as if. So gesture used to make counting money as if. Anger, stab anyone so that he could have. So it's lots of anger range type of symptom here can also be found, and there may be something which he can stab anyone. So abusive scold until lips are blue, eyes stare, and he could fall down fainting. Single remedy Moschus. Delusion, injury, his fingers and toe are being cut off. So that's the major delusion. Head knock as if knocked in the head. So Moschus is single remedy. Pain, nail as if from forehead extending to occiput to forehead. So nail as if keel down from occiput to forehead. The Moschus is the single remedy. Noises in report, menses during. So during the noises, during the menses, there is noises in the ear. Moschus is a single remedy. And this is important. Heat, cold, one cheek cold and red, another is hot and pale. It's like just like chamomilla. One cheek is cold and red, another cheek is hot and pale. Just like chamomilla, it also have. And Lyco have one feet is hot and the other feet is cold. Lyco, palm of the feet, the sole of the feet is hot and cold. Urine red color in night, single remedy Moschus. Erection wanting, cold from a single remedy Moschus. Lots of impotency type of cases you can give this remedy, especially their genitals become very cold at that time. Pain, paralytic, lower limb extending downwards. So pain in the lower limb which extends downwards. Paralytic type of pain which extends downward. Think of this remedy. Numbness, right and left arm joint. So need numbness in the right and left arm joint. Think of this remedy Moschus. So vertigo as the concomitant loathing. So vertigo, the concomitant loathing. Loathing is something which is very grina type of thing. Very grief, very see extreme dislike. Vertigo in concomitant is extreme dislikes of someone, of something, of some person. Think of this remedy Moschus in Boning Hassan repertory. BBC is the remedy. vertigo, concomitant mouth spasm, and during the vertigo the spasm in the mouth. Think of this remedy. Stool involuntary, hurried, headache weak. So stools are involuntary, hurried, headache weak. So during the stool, involuntary stool, they headache. Stool with sweetish odor, so lots of sweetish odor you can find in this remedy. Think of moscus. So we are doing a Canadian webinar along with me, Dr. Lakshmi Prashanti will be there. So I hope many of you will enroll to this our courses. It's just a 4-day workshop, 4-day webinar on 28, 29, 30 and 1st of May. So we wanted lots of Canadian and Mexico homeopath, and this is all about the books that what we have written along with Dr. Rajarshi Mishra. So you can contact to me nishan25smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.